of Montego Bay. I always come out and support my fellow Montegonians and parishioners because it is good to exercise and it is also good to contribute to an educational fund. And this city run is one of those initiatives that is geared towards bolstering education, and not just education in a broad sense, but accessing tertiary education. It goes towards scholarship for students who are trying to ascertain tertiary education.
It's extraordinary to see the love for the city of Montego Bay. You know, I have to big up Janet Silvera and all the organisers for the Mobay City Run. Thank you for the amazing honour for putting Jill's name and associating Jill with this run. You know, she won the 10K in this race in years gone by. She was a believer in education, bringing people together, and of course, running was her passion. So we was overwhelmed, humbled, and love you, Jamaica. Amazing.